So one of the very first professional theaters I ever worked at, above the audience, they wrote, "Follow the fear." So the actors could see it, but the audience couldn't. And that is really what improv is. It's scary. And if you're not scared a little, you're a little bit crazy. So in Improv 101, we work on how to get over that. How do you get over those things that stop your impulses and just have fun like you did as a kid? Because a normal adult should be a little scared to go up there without a script and have no idea what you're doing. But there's strategies and skills that we will work on over the 8 courses to get over it and just have fun and realize that your first idea is way more brilliant than your 30th idea, which is the first thing you actually said. I love improv. I think it helps every aspect of life, from friendship to interviews to hanging out with someone you don't even like, or just awkward business meetings, or just making your brain work in different ways. So in this workshop, we will start out with warm-ups. We start up on ways, there are actually ways to practice getting scared, because you always get scared. And how do you deal? Learning, how do you deal when it's not perfectly comfortable? And then moving on. We'll do a lot of short form activities, a lot of long form improv activities. And at the end, we're actually going to create a show. And I promise you will all look awesome and great, and your friends will be incredibly impressed, and it really won't be that hard. Because I think, a laugh is a moment of recognition, which means a moment of truth. A laugh isn't like being funny. A laugh is being honest, and everyone is honest, and whatever your honest truth is, that's what is funny. So everyone is already funny, just being themselves. The problem is we try not to be ourselves. So you will have an incredibly funny, truthful experience at the end of these 8 courses. And I am excited to help you guys through it. I'm totally drinking the Kool-Aid of improvisational theater. I cannot wait to meet you guys, and see you soon.